Hi, it's Kylie, and I'm here to introduce you to your new best friend. This is Beauty by Earth's Sea Salt Hairspray. It's going to give you texture and volume without any of that nasty crunchiness. Use it for textured braids, use it for messy buns, use it to look like you just came back from the beach when actually you spent the whole weekend watching Netflix in your sweatpants. Not that I would know what that's like or anything. Right, so your first step is to get your hair damp, but not too damp. Take a shower and let your hair dry a bit. Brush out all the knots. Grab your bottle of sea salt spray and spritz it all over your hair. Next, twist your hair away from your face and scrunch it up. I like to do it in smaller sections, but I mean, you do you, babe. Once your hair is thoroughly scrunched, you can let it air dry or use a diffuser. Once it's completely dry, shake your hair out and separate it. Voila! Gorgeous beachy waves. Now you look like a model. That's all there is to it. Have fun scrunching!